Imagine seeing a wallet left wide open on a table in a busy coffee shop. Your first instinct would probably be to secure it. We naturally guard physical valuables, like our cash, our house keys, and our driver's licenses. The digital information we use every day holds that exact same value. A contact card is your ID. An email is a conversation. A locked data folder is the vault holding your most important assets. Because digital data is invisible, we do not always notice when it is left unguarded, but when it falls into the wrong hands, the harm it causes is very real. The first step in keeping things safe is simply recognizing and sorting the invisible valuables we handle throughout our day. Let's start with personal information. Think of this as a digital ID card. This category includes any detail that points to a specific individual. It covers names, birth dates, home addresses, phone numbers, and student or employee ID numbers. If these details are exposed, bad actors can use them to open fake accounts, run convincing scams, or steal a person's identity. Exposure often happens through an innocent reflex. You might type a common first name into an email and let autocomplete send a message containing personal details to the completely wrong recipient. Securing personal data means shielding the actual human beings connected to those numbers. Next, we have business data. You can think of this as the physical keys used to unlock and run daily operations. This covers the day-to-day engine of a workplace: project plans, internal communications, customer lists, and financial summaries. When this operational data leaks, it can derail projects, give competitors an unfair advantage, and break the trust that customers place in an organization. A common risk here is your environment. Working on a confidential report at a local cafe means anyone walking behind you can easily read your laptop screen. Guarding business data ensures the organization can keep functioning smoothly and maintain its hard-earned reputation. Finally, there are confidential records. Treat these like a physical wallet that must not be left unprotected. These are highly sensitive documents like human resources files, medical histories, signed contracts, and payroll records. Because of strict privacy laws and the personal nature of the content, this tier requires tight boundaries. Only people with explicit, verified permission should ever have access. Leaving a printed payroll sheet or a medical document sitting unattended on a shared office printer puts this sensitive information at serious risk. Keeping confidential records locked down prevents severe privacy violations and keeps the organization compliant with the law. The easiest way to stop exposure is simply pausing before you send, print, or share. During that brief pause, ask yourself, what type of data am I handling? Who should actually have access? And am I using the right secure channel? Building this short, mindful pause into your daily routine creates a strong, active layer of protection around your coworkers, your customers, and your daily operations. A strong cybersecurity culture relies entirely on everyday human behavior. When we protect information, we protect people, and we protect trust.